The biggest house which has been moved is 230 tons.
The truck is 620 horsepower.
The mine, LKAB, and the town is dependent on each other. So without the mine, no town without the mine. So we have to move the houses to get out the iron from the mining.
Here we have Nicholas MHD, it's called, the trailer, and with 18 axles to lift the houses. The trailer itself is 63 tons with 18 axles. It's an Allison automatic gearbox and converter that uses oil instead of normal clutch, so it can take much more load.
Cellular will grow, the same here in Koskerskulle, so it will grow and Mальmбергете will disappear.